Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now I came over here early this morning to dig some hole to plant the lettuce. So as you can see, the lettuce are going to be planted and beside the broccoli, because the broccoli over there and the lettuce holes are here. Now these are going to be the lettuce, and over there I have the big salad, and then I have the cucumber right here, and my sister have some guys working up there. So guys, I am like so tired right now. I went ahead and I chopped some steak out there. You can see them. I chopped some steak, some sticks to steak the big salad, because you know you have to steak the big salad or else they'll drop to the ground and spoil. Wishing you don't have to steak tomatoes. So, but if you want you can, because that was my plan to steak it, but because they had gotten away from me and come so tall, I'm gonna have to sink them, so they're not going to be steak. Anyway guys, they are tired, so see you in the next one.